Please subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon. You'll be notified of the latest videos by Kalkine. Today's video explores which crypto can explode in 2022. Stay watching to find out. I'm Sage for Kalkine Media. In 2022, is there one crypto that will explode to give its backers jaw-dropping returns? Though cryptos are hyper-volatile with respect to price, let's find out the likely contender. Bitcoin. Maybe not. As stated earlier, Bitcoin was the biggest dominating player in cryptos for a long time, but it may have reached a saturation point. There are multiple reasons behind this. Firstly, 2021 was a year like never before for Bitcoin. In Canada, the world's first Bitcoin exchange-traded fund was approved by the regulators. And this was no mean feat for a blockchain-based independent currency that hasn't been able to impress central banks. This was followed by new indices tracking the Bitcoin prices, and then the big US banks starting crypto services for their clients to prevent the flight of dollars to crypto exchanges like Coinbase. Ether? Not yet. Ethereum's token Ether was a better performer than Bitcoin in 2020 as well as 2021. And like Bitcoin, Ether too has lost in the first week of 2022. But Ether may still be a preferred choice for a section of crypto investors. And this section is looking at how Ethereum's blockchain is playing a key role in the distributed ledger ecosystem. NFTs and blockchain gaming? Well, the craze may have stagnated. Here, investors must differentiate between cryptos and other digital assets. Bitcoin versus NFTs is the new debate, but the truth is these two have little in common except blockchain underpinnings. Bitcoin and all other altcoins are fungible tokens, which means any one unit of a specific crypto has the same value as other units. NFTs are unique. No single NFT can be exactly similar to the other. Take, for example, NFTs of Beeple or CryptoPunks. Each of their digital artworks and that of Bored Apes has no relation with other artworks within the same project. NFTs roared to new heights in 2021, but there is a wide concern that the prices might be unjustifiably high. Shiba Inu? Hopeful. Though a few commentators might reject Shiba Inu as a meme currency, it cannot be likened to meme stocks like GameStop, which are trading on Reddit sentiments alone. There are reports that Shiba Inu might soon come up with its blockchain, Shibarium. It is estimated that a single transaction on Ethereum's network costs nearly $9. And Shiba Inu also uses Ethereum services, and the introduction of an independent blockchain may add to SHIB's appeal. And besides, Shiba Inu may also bring a stablecoin, which may pit it against Tether. Thanks for your company on that one. If you do like the information, let us know by giving us a like, sharing or commenting on the video below. If you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, you'll be notified every time there's a new video. But for more articles like this, head to the website kalkinemedia.com. Sage here for Kalkine Media.